Hi, in this lesson we're going to talk about planning a course business with Ikigai. Hi, we're RT Course Experts and we help creative online course teachers and experts with their tech. In this lesson we're going to go over planning a course business with Ikigai. So what is Ikigai? Ikigai is a Japanese concept combining Iki, alive, and Gai, benefit or worth. So basically it's things that makes one's life worthwhile or simply a reason for living. So that's what Ikigai is. So it combines these four concepts, and today we're gonna talk about how to combine those four concepts to really find a course business that you're great at, as well as something that people want and are willing to pay for. So let's go over the four quadrants of Ikigai. So the first one is to teach what you love doing. This is something that makes you happy, that is exciting, that is fun, something that you'll do all day long. It's just pleasurable. You know, whether it's crafting or drawing or writing, whatever it is, that first section is really about doing something that you love. The second section is really about doing something that you're good at. So teach what you're good at. These are your natural talents, your skills, your experience, stuff you've done for years and years, hundreds of times you can do with your eyes closed. You know, all sorts of combinations and how to handle certain problems in that thing that you do, that art that you do. And then the third thing is teach what students need. Teach something that's needed, right? Where they're pulling you from the other side. So you're going to solve actual problems that students have or transformations that they want. They want to become something. They want to learn how to do something. They want to get to this certain level. So you're going to help students with what they actually need. And the fourth area of Ikigai is getting paid. Teaching what students will actually pay for, not just, they need it, but they really need it, and it's a real problem, and it's a painful problem, and they're willing to pay for it. So that way you, as a teacher, will be able to cover all your expenses, you'll be able to grow, prosper, money shouldn't be an issue. You're doing stuff that you love, you're good at it, people want it and need it, and you feel good about helping them with that, and you're getting paid. So you can do that all day long. So these are the four fundamentals that you should be thinking about when you're planning your course business. You know, what are the courses? What are your master classes, your spotlight courses, your mini courses? What are all the different things, and do they each they come from your skill set that you're good at, that you love to do? And it shows, right? You're going to be active in the community. You're going to create resources. You're going to be blogging about stuff as well. So you're good at it. You love doing it. Students need it, and they really need it because there's a challenge, and they're willing to pay for it to get the results that you're able to teach them. So those are some of the ways that you can think about planning your course business, your courses, your resources, even your community and your coaching. All right. So now you're smarter on planning your course business. There's more info, tips, and resources in the notes. Please subscribe for more tips. If you know someone who needs help, pass this along. We provide tech help with courses, teacher websites, and communities. You can visit www.rtcourseexperts.com. Talk to you soon. Bye.